What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new video, and today we are jumping back into Pogo. We're checking out the cash out process, and we're also checking out the surveys that they have on there to offer you, and we're just overall going back over Pogo, and I'm showing some of the things that I didn't show in the first video. But with that being said, let's jump into it. So today we are going to find out more about Pogo, and I'm going to go into the Pogo app and show you guys just a little bit more what Pogo has to offer. So Pogo is still new to me, and it's probably really new to everybody that's watching this video. What is up, everybody? So today we're back on the Pogo app. I just wanted to make this video and show you guys that you can actually cash out using Pogo after you have earned some cash out earnings. So let's go ahead and complete these surveys, and then we're gonna cash out, and I'm gonna show you guys that you can actually cash out, but it does take a little while to, you know, save up some cashback earnings. So with that being said, let's do this. There's one survey. Let's complete the other two now. There's number 2. Alright, there's the third one. So now, don't have any receipts to scan. Could do more paid surveys. But right now, I'm going to show you guys that you can cash out. This is actually my first time cashing out as well. So we are seeing this together. I got 2 referrals pending, 250 points apiece. That's cool. So available points 721, all-time points 721. You're gonna hit cash out. It's only 72 cents, but I want to show everybody that Pogo does work, but you know, you kind of have to spend a lot to cash out a lot. So I just want to show you that the cash out actually does work and go. So basically what you have to do is you put your PayPal email in, or your whichever one, PayPal or Venmo. You put your email in, and then you hit cash out. Alright, see, we're all learning something new today, even myself. So with Pogo, if you're gonna cash out with Pogo, they will not let you cash out until you get 3,000 points, which is equal to $3. I don't understand these apps that where you have to have a minimum to cash out. It doesn't make any sense to me. The only thing that I could really think of why these apps do that is because of fees and taxes, maybe. But other than that, there should be no cash out minimum. If it's your money, you should be able to take it out whenever you want. So at the very end, my honest opinion about Pogo, because now I fully went through the Pogo app, my full summary of the app, and what I honestly think is like at first glance, and actually using the app the first time, I thought it was really cool. One thing is you can get cash back from items that you buy from bills that you pay, and that's really cool. On the other hand, you know, you have to have 3,000 points to cash out, which is equal to $3, and only 721 points is only equal to 72 cents, which is how much I have on the app, which is completely nothing because you can't cash out. Anything 3,000 points or above is worth something, and anything below that is worth nothing because they will not let you cash out. Anything below that, 3,000 points is the minimum, and I don't fully agree with that at all. I kind of wish I would have actually checked that out in the first video, but we learned something new today, and you have to have 3,000 points in order to cash out. And for me, I don't like that at all, because this is a cashback app, so pretty much the points that they're giving you is cash back from things that you've bought. So that should be your money. You shouldn't have to have a minimum to cash out that money, because it's your earnings. Like, another thing that I don't agree with is it should not be a point system. I don't agree with the point system whatsoever. They should just give you the cash back per item or per thing that you buy. Just give the cash straight there, whether it's 5 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, $1, just give it back straight. Why do you have to convert it into a point system like all these other apps? I'm seeing that since this is a cashback app and they give you a point system to play around with, I see that they're earning more than what you are earning, and I don't know, I just don't agree with how the app is, and I think there's probably some other cashback apps out there that are actually letting people cash out with zero minimum. So we'll just put that in mind. But I had to make this video today for you guys, and yeah, Pogo has been on my mind for the last couple of days, so that's why I'm making this video. But I just kind of wish Pogo was a little bit different. But if you guys like these cashback apps, kind of like Pogo, I will try to find some more of these apps and review them and make videos on them for everybody. But for today, that's all the time I have for everybody. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you guys for liking this video, subscribing, commenting, supporting the channel, everything that you guys continue to do every day. I appreciate all of you. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next new video. Peace.